gadgets. They all do very different things. But what do they all have in common? Well, none of them would work without one of our earliest and most important inventions, the wheel. So, today's big question is, why are wheels important? The wheel is one of the most important inventions in history. It was invented around 5,000 years ago, here in Sumer, part of modern Iraq. It changed transportation completely. Soon after the invention of the wheel, people began to build carts. People could get animals to pull these carts along, and it made it a lot easier to transport things. This invention was so useful that some people still use carts today. Most forms of transportation use wheels. These bikes have two main wheels with spokes and rims. Cars have wheels on the outside and on the inside. There are wheels in the engine to make it go, and there's a wheel for the driver to control the car too. It's called the steering wheel. Even airplanes have wheels. They allow the airplane to take off, land, and move around the runway. Wheels are very useful for transportation, but we use them for lots of other things too. Can you think of any? This is a mill in England. These old mills are always beside a river or stream. The water pushes a large wheel attached to the wall of the mill. This wheel turns a special grinding machine to make flour. Today, the mill makes paper, and it uses electricity rather than water, but it still uses wheels to dry and stretch the paper. Lots of machines use wheels and wheel gears. This printing press, for example, needs wheels to print and turn the paper. We even use wheels for entertainment. This is the London Eye, large Ferris wheel in central London. People can get on this wheel, ride it to the top, and enjoy the breathtaking views of London. The wheel was an amazing development in technology. Without it, we wouldn't have bikes or cars, and many of the mechanical devices we rely on wouldn't work. The wheel is an ancient invention, but it's still important in our modern world.